Designing Repair View. Insurance customers love this app.
Oh.
Yeah, daily photo updates sent to your phone so you can follow your car repair while it's in the shop. That's what Tech Team does. We innovate. What else is on here?
You gonna help me? Help yourself.
Oh. Daddy gets to dance on.
Right.
Nice kneecaps, bro.
Uh-oh.
No extra cost.
Uh-oh.
Figure yourself at insurance. Technology when you want it. People when you don't.
Uh-oh.
Up to 15 days. That's
Who's
how
eating?
long an H&R Block refund anticipation check takes.
Well, Jackson Hewitt can do that too. But Jackson Hewitt also has refund anticipation loans to get the money you need in as little as 1 day.
Can you do this?
So instead of waiting up to
Put your
15
fly in there.
days at H&R Block,
Inside.
You have the choice of getting the money you need in as little as 1 day at Jackson Hewitt.
Look, here's some.
Anticipation loans.
Here's one.
Jackson Hewitt. 1 day. Come in and fly now.
Holly's World is back, and this season, Paradise has a dark side.
It's nice, actually. Jade Nicole thinks she's just going to take over Las Vegas. You need to work on your career, so it doesn't really make sense for you to be my assistant. What birthday is it? 32. Maybe I'll try to give you like 60. Okay, like that. Yeah.
Holly's World.
Uh-huh.
New season starts Sunday, right after the Super